locally, and then we'll get to what's happening in the tropics. Starting you out Sunday morning with nice mild temperatures. Once again, you'll probably notice that as you're heading out. 69 in Belle Glade, 72 in Indiantown, 70 in Okeechobee, 73 right now in Stewart, West Palm Beach, Boynton, and Boca a tad bit more muggy. 75 in West Palm, 76 in Boynton, and Boca coming in at 77. Nice quiet start to the morning. I have seen just a few little light showers just off the coast, especially associated with this band of cloud cover that you see here near Martin County and Jupiter. So a couple stray morning showers along the coast certainly possible, but rain chances are actually fairly low today as we have a little bit more dry air in place. And rain chances are a little bit below average. You can see that here by lunchtime. We start to see a little bit of rain mainly near the coast, and then that pushes a little bit farther inland, 2:30 into 3. Highest rain chances today through Palm Beach County, but still a little bit of rain along the Treasure Coast. But you can see overall rain chances certainly not impressive. I'd say if you have outdoor plans, it should be a good day for it. Just make sure you're slowing down, drinking lots of fluids because it is going to be really, really hot, and do, of course, keep an eye to the sky. Lower 80s by 9 a.m., upper 80s by 11 o'clock. Going to feel like the upper 90s though, so really heating up quickly. Highs today going to be in the upper 80s and lower 90s, but the heat index is going to feel more like the triple digits. So if you're headed out to the beach, some isolated rain certainly possible, but mainly it's going to be hot and humid, and that sand is going to be hot. The UV index is extreme, so make sure you're taking some breaks from the sun as well. Same advice if you're doing some boating. Hot and mostly dry. There will be some rain around this afternoon, but it won't be a washout, and I'd say just make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Let's get straight to the tropics now. We now have Tropical Storm Chris. I told you about this earlier. This was Tropical Depression number 3. Now we have our third named storm just off the coast of the Carolinas. We also have Tropical Storm Beryl moving toward the Lesser Antilles. This was Hurricane Beryl, but it has decreased in strength. You see it here forecast to move toward the Lesser Antilles and over that chain of islands tonight into tomorrow morning as a tropical storm. And the current National Hurricane Center forecast has Beryl just kind of dying out in the Caribbean as it deals with really unfavorable conditions. Tropical Storm Chris forecast to become a hurricane as we head through next week, but stay just off the coast of the U.S. Could impact certain portions of Canada though, so if you have interest there, just keep an eye on that. Rain chances about the same tomorrow, a little bit below average, but they do start to go up a bit on Tuesday. More of our typical summertime pattern with heat and humidity continuing as well through the rest of next week.